Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I want to teach you how to create a queue. A queue is like a small stuff. Okay, so let's get started. First, we have to create new instruments for queue like this. Click add. I want to make a queue like a flute. Okay, and then click OK. So we add some notes like G. Okay, that's here. Okay, and then we create a queue by selecting the flute, hold shift and then right click, click stuff or part properties, then click this small stuff, click apply, and that's it. See you on the next video and for the next tutorial. And if you want to ask any question, just write on the comment below. Thank you.